Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on video autoplay on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by opening your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find Accessibility, Display and Languages option. Tap on it. Among these four options, tap on the very last option, that is Data Uses. Now scroll down until you find Video Autoplay option. Tap on it. And then select Mobile Data and Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi only. And this is how you can turn on video autoplay on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.